Mr. Malcolm, I'm in desperate need of your services, sir. I have lost my cat.
Lady, I'm a detective, not a dog catcher.
Mr. Malcolm, this is not just any cat. It's a 24-carat cat. A golden cat. A cat made of gold.
You rang?
Hello, I am here to investigate a missing cat.
Are you dog catchers? Madame does not have a cat or a dog, but her son does have a ferret.
What? No, I'm a detective.
Oh, well, just wait up, please. You may wait in the parlor.
Thank you, detectives, for your prompt arrival. This is my secretary, Miss Thornburg. You know, it was from this very room that the golden cat was stolen. I do not know how it could have vanished.
Yes, madam, you rang?
Yes, please have cook prepare refreshments.
Yes, madam, right away.
When did you last see the golden cat?
Well, it was just the other day. Megan, what on earth are you doing?
Nothing, madam. Why, nothing. I was just testing, madam. Just doing my job.
Well, then give to your job somewhere else. This
Yes,
is a private
madam.
conversation.
Yes, madam. I'm sorry, madam. Excuse me, madam.
I do apologize, detectives, for this interruption. Well, Bobby?
When did you last see the golden cat?
Well, it was just the other day I was showing it to my sisters. Miss Linda? It was last Sunday, madam. 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock?
That is correct. 2 o'clock. Tea time. So, you were saying your sisters were the last to see the golden cat? Well, are you detectives? Do you have a badge? Do you have a gun? James Wilson, where on earth are your manners? I'm sorry, Mom. Hello, honey. That's a lie. So sorry, madam. You gotta wait for me. Detectives, this is my governess, Miss Thompson. How do you do?
You look familiar. What exactly do you do?
Why, I govern. Come along, James Wilson. Matilda.
Zerbald! Oh, Zerbald! They're going to question everyone.
Everyone?
Yes, they want to find out who stole the golden cat. And they think that Anna and Isabel did it.
Really? Here, take this in the parlor and see if you can hear anything else.
But Zerbald, Miss Blackwell told me to leave.
Oh, don't be ridiculous. Just do as I say.
Yes, Gerald.
finds me. Oh, Emma, I believe I've made a terrible mistake. Those detectives are asking too many questions. What should they find out?
Find out what, Naomi? Find out that you're sending up your poor, innocent sister.
Shh, somebody might be listening.
So, cuz, how much is the insurance company paying you if the detectives fail to find the missing cat?
Enough for me to continue to live comfortably, especially if I get rid of my useless sister.
So, cuz, how much will you pay me to keep quiet?
What?
I want in.
Absolutely not.
Come now, you know I'm your favorite cousin. No, don't fret. I just want a tiny bit. Oh, by the way, Naomi, what did you do with that golden cat?
I can't believe this. My own cousin is blackmailing me. I can't let this happen. I must stop her.
Just look at this dress. It's so last year. But it is quite pretty, Izzy. The color is quite becoming. Oh, Emma, you're too kind. You know Naomi's so cheap. She pinches every penny so hard that it squeaks. Oh, do stop complaining, Izzy, and help me with this class. If you don't hurry, we'll be late. The madam requests her presence in the parlor. What does she want? We were about to go shopping. The detectives wish to speak with you. What now, Naomi? Me and Ona are about to go shopping.
I do apologize, Isabel. These two good detectives would like to have a word with you.
Good day. How may I help you? What?
Where were you the day that the golden cat disappeared?
You here? Why?
I understand you two were reviewing the accounts with Miss Thorndike the other day, right before the key disappeared.
Are you accusing me of stealing the golden cat?
Yes.
That's preposterous. Naomi, how could you believe this odious man? Thank you, Megan.
He's dead! He's dead!
Everybody get back! There's a knife! There's a note! He's dead! Oh no, what do I do now? Oh!
Thank you. Go ahead, I will only be a moment. Oh no. Oh my. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no, not again. Everybody get back. The knife, the note, they're the same. Everybody, we have a serial killer on the loose.
So, Malcolm, what are we going to do?
I don't really know.
We came here to find the missing cat, and now we have a murderer on our hands.
Let's see. So first we question the butler, right?
Actually, we questioned the sisters.
Oh, yeah, that's correct. Let's see. First we question the sister, then the butler, then the governess, then the secretary, Who's left? The maid!
The maid!
Well, it looks like the maid didn't murder anybody. She's too scared of her own shadow.
Yeah, but she's still alive.
Huh, good point.
Who's left?
I don't know. Who is it?
Oh, Anna! Mrs. Blackwell, please stand up.
Why? What's she doing?
Mrs. Blackwell, you have been found guilty of first-degree murder.
This is preposterous.
No, Mrs. Blackwell, it is not.